Do you like sitting in an armchair? I like sitting in an armchair. Everybody likes sitting in an armchair. Do you often send parcels? I sent 2 parcels to my sister last year. Have you been to China? Yeah, I was there last year. Have you ever been to London? I have never been to London. Have you ever lost your passport? No, never. Have you ever seen such a butterfly? I see it for the first time. Have you ever written a poem? Yes, in high school. How about some lunch? Yeah, sure, I am hungry. How is a house of bees called? A house of bees is called beehive. How long have you known each other? Since children. Is it going to be fine? Perhaps not. I can see clouds over there. Is that sport popular in your country? Yes, it is. Shall I present my diploma? Yes, please present your diploma. Should we go out tonight? No, I'm tired. Let's stay home. Was the weather nice? Yes, the weather was great. What are you doing tomorrow night? Nothing. I'm free. What are you keen on? I'm keen on music and reading. What are your intentions? I intend to leave for Canada. What do you like to do on weekends? I like playing cricket, reading and listening to pop music. What does your father do? My father is a doctor. He works at the local hospital. What is the plastic made from? The plastic is made from petroleum. What time should we leave? The sooner the better. What will you say at the end of your speech? I'll suggest practical steps for a solution of the problem. When did you go to the theater last time? I went to the theater last week. Where did you spend your holiday last year? Last year, in contrast to previous years, I spent my holiday assisting my brother in building his house. Who was in the bathroom? Father is in the bathroom. Why are the police outside the bank? There was a robbery. Why are you studying English? I love learning new languages. Why don't you work harder? I do work hard. Are you thirsty? Yes, I am. Bernard was at the party, wasn't he? Yes, but I didn't speak to him. Did Alexei and Anastasia go to the wedding? No, they weren't invited. Do you ever ride a bicycle? Not usually. Do you remember your grandmother? My grandmother is still alive. Do you think you'll get a raise soon? I hope so. Does he speak English well? Yes, he speaks English better than I do. Have you ever been to Montreal? No, never. Have you ever played golf? Yes, I play a lot. How many days are there in a year? There are 365 days in a year. How many spectators does your stadium seat? The stadium seats 100,000 spectators. Is he good at languages? Yes, he is good at languages. Is she in trouble? Not as far as I know. Is this your book? No, I think it's his book. What is the charge for the visiting cards? The charge for the visiting cards is 80 rubles. What new cathedral was recently built in Moscow? A new cathedral was recently built in Moscow, but I don't know how it is called. What species of trees grow in your region? Oaks, willows, birches, poplars grow in our region. What's your job? I'm unemployed at the moment. Which do you prefer, apples or pears? I prefer the latter. Who would you like to speak to? I would like to speak to John. You don't know Larissa's sister, do you? No, I've never met her.
لا تنسوا الاشتراك ومتابعة مزيد من المصطلحات والكلمات الهامة وكل ما يخص اللغة الإنجليزية على مواقعنا على شبكات التواصل الاجتماعي. الروابط تجدونها أسفل الفيديو. إذا كنتم غير مشتركين برجاء الاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس، وإذا استفدتم من الحلقة برجاء الضغط على إعجاب وترك لنا تعليق، وإذا أردتم نشر العلم برجاء مشاركة الفيديو مع الجميع لتشجيعنا. وبنهاية الحلقة نشكركم على حسن المتابعة ونرجو أن نلقاكم على خير في الحلقة القادمة بإذن الله. مع تحيات فريق عمل الدكة كلاود.